Hi guys, so now I'm going to make a video for the next skill that I listed for you, multiply 2-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. Again, I know many of us may have learned this in elementary, but it is something that we are going to be using pretty frequently throughout this year, so I want to make sure we feel super solid on it before we're going forward. So for these skills, you're definitely going to need scratch paper, you're definitely going to need to be writing it out. There's just no way to do this one in your head, unfortunately. And I don't want us using calculators because this is a skill that I need for us to be able to do without the aid of a calculator. So this first problem, 241 times 78. So on my scratch paper, I would literally just write it exactly the same way that it is on the screen, 241 times 78. Great. Okay. So when you are multiplying multi-digit numbers, the rules are everything in the top row, multiply it to this digit first, and then once we have finished multiplying everything to the 8, then we are going to adjust our place value, and then we're going to multiply everything to the 7. So I am going to begin by multiplying everything to the 8. So 1 times 8 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 goes down here. You need to carry the 3. And 2 times 8 is 16, plus the 3 that we carried is 19. Now, something that you can do, because when we start multiplying a bunch of numbers together and we're carrying and things like that, it can get a little messy and confusing. So you can cross out this 3 to show that you're done with it, so that you don't get confused and try to use it again the next time around. So I said we were going to adjust our place value, which we are. So now we are going to multiply everything in the top row to the 7. But first I must put, we call it in my class an invisible 0. You can call it whatever you like. But this just makes sure that our place value stays correct, so that everything that's in the ones is in the ones, everything is in the tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. So now we're going to multiply everything to the 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So the 8 goes down here, carry the 2. See, this is what I mean about it gets kind of crowded, kind of messy, but we've crossed out the 3, so we're not going to use it again. 2 times 7 is 14, plus the 2 that we carried is 16. Now we got to add it all together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17, so the 7 goes down here, and then we carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus the 1 we carried is 8. And nothing plus 1 gives us 1. So our answer is 18,798. Now, technically there is a comma here. On the website, they don't care if you have a comma or not, so you can include the comma if you want, but if you don't include it, you won't get marked incorrect. So 18,798. So 18,798. See, no comma, and I'm still fine. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you are still feeling a little shaky, go ahead and just watch it again and pause whenever you need to. And I'm sure there's also other videos on YouTube and on Khan Academy that could maybe explain it in a different way that makes more sense to you. I look forward to meeting you in just a couple weeks. Have a great time at Summer Bridge.